Hi.
Uh-oh. You okay?
Hi.
We're back!
We are back.
Gark vlogs are back.
But,
With a vengeance,
yeah.
kind of.
we'll try.
As you may or may not know, we've been
had,
away
Yeah, we've had a massive change to us.
to our lives, because
Yeah.
as you may or may not know, we have been pregnant.
And we had a baby.
We've had a baby!
Yeah.
Yeah, so we've had the ultrasound, the pregnancy shots, and you'll see a few here.
Maybe boom, 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 boom.
Yep. And we just wanted to introduce you to the newest addition to the gark family.
Dun, dun, dun. Oh. There we are.
Hi! Meet Luca.
This is Luca.
He's our newest little addition to the gark family. He's the gark bub.
That's right.
Hi.
Right.
He's got hiccups at the moment.
Yeah.
We just want to introduce you to him because he'll be appearing in a lot more vlogs. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Hi. Say hi.
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 Yeah, so a new baby boy. So there's going to be a new direction for us in our future vlogs.
Yeah. So, I mean, ultimately, if you're interested in, I guess, his birth story, which was eventful, right?
It was eventful, yeah.
Yeah, I might do a vlog on my birth story, but we'll see, depending, because obviously with this guy, it's a new challenge.
Yes.
How has it been being a parent?
It's been interesting, like going back to work and then having a baby, coming home to a baby is very different. Instead of coming home and just sitting on my laptop and watching anime and stuff.
Yeah.
And I come home and just worrying about this guy all the time.
He's not happy.
It's, yeah. Being a parent, I like it more than what I had before.
What does that mean?
What? I can see.
Yeah, for me, it's completely changed my life. So, yeah, no more feeling independent and doing whatever you want. It's your whole life revolves around him.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there's all those things like breastfeeding and just trying to settle him, watching his poos, trying to decode his cries because he cries a lot.
Yeah.
He likes to go full Luca. He doesn't have a medium. He just goes full out.
It's 0 to hero.
Wailing.
I think it's 0 to hero.
0 to hero, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's really cute, don't you think?
I think so. I do think so. So what we want to know from you guys
is where you want us to go.
Yeah.
Because we're trying to restart the channel. We're hoping to start getting more regular vlogs, and obviously it'll feature more of him.
we won't do as much travel as we used to, but we will be doing some traveling. We've got
Heading to oh, he did a poo.
got it on camera.
We are heading to America at some point, so
Yeah.
there will be some.
Yeah, there'll be some America footage, like going to New Orleans and San Francisco. You'll see some of that.
New Orleans.
New Orleans.
New Orleans.
I'm still studying wine, so I know stuff about wine. So for me,
Yes, so the wine vlogs will be back. The Ask Mark.
yeah, we
section.
could do.
So if you have any questions, send them
it
through. But if you have any, I guess.
Yeah, if you guys want us to do something else, like I'm not going to jump off a building and into pools and stuff like that, and the challenges of that kind of sort. But if you see something that it's like, oh, that'll be interesting to see how their perspective on something, or I'd like to see them try something new. I'm doing gardening now because apparently that's what parents do.
Oh, there's the second poo.
That's second poo. If you want to see like more how-tos on doing stuff, you can let us know and we'll give it a shot.
Yeah, so just let us know what you want to see and we'll see if we can factor it in. Don't know how frequently we can do it given he takes up most of the time nowadays. But we just wanted to say hello again and just introduce you to the new little guy.
Yeah.
And hopefully you guys can follow us in seeing him grow up and I guess doing more poos.
Yeah, exactly. We'll see if he has more poos on camera. 2 poos on camera at the moment.
They always come in threes.
Yeah, so we're
For
waiting
him
for the
anyway. Oh, it stinks.
exchanging.
Okay.
Alright.
Right. Okay, well, we will see you soon.
Yeah, I suppose we'll see you soon.
So, like, comment, subscribe if you want.
It's always helpful.
It's helpful. And yeah, just let us know what you want to see and we will try our best. But we are trying to get back into it.
That's right.
Can't promise anything, but we'll try. Oh, he's tired now.
Alright.
Okay.
Ciao.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Oh, his eyes.